were some serious avalanches. Yeah, where'd they come from anyway? Uh-oh, this paradise just became a nightmare.
A red fox.
Predators know about the Subnivian zone too. This is crazy. You could be having a peaceful time down here, then boom, it's all over. I know, anything. Could be listening from up there. Listening for the voles skittling around and chewing. As long as no one makes any sudden loud noises, we should be fine.
No sneezing. No sneezing. I said no sneezing.
Oops. Hopefully nobody heard that. But let's get out of here anyway. Quietly, Martin. Drive quietly.